Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix application failed to start because side-by-side configuration is incorrect. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go to find your start menu, right-click on it and just click on Installed Apps. Wait for it to load, and then once it loads, go and find Microsoft Visual C++, okay? Or you can just go ahead and type it down right here, search apps, Microsoft Visual C++, okay? Just type down Microsoft Visual and you'll be able to see a ton right here. So what you'll do is just go ahead and click on the one from the top, go with three dots, click on modify. There'll be a pop-up, just click on yes, and then just click on repair, okay? Click on repair. Once that's done, do the same thing with each redistributable right here, okay? Click modify, yes, and repair. Again, do the same thing to each and every Microsoft Visual C++. And then once that's done, close this one and restart your computer. And after that, just go ahead and check if it helps. If that still won't work, go ahead and open up your favorite browser and then find Microsoft, again, Visual C++ Redistributable packages. Okay. Again, Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable packages, and just hit on enter. Now here we have a link from Microsoft itself at learn.microsoft.com. Click on it, wait for it, and then scroll all the way down until you find latest supported redistributable version, and just download the ones for your computer. If you have an x86 or 32-bit computer, click on this one. If you have 64-bit, click on this one. If you don't know what your computer architecture is, so go ahead and go to your search bar and type down system information, click on it, and here you have system type, okay? I have 64-bit, yours may be different. You may have x86, well, go ahead and download x86. So I'm gonna download x64 right here. I'm gonna save it on my desktop and click on save. And then just wait for the download process to finish. And then once that's done, click on the installer. And then just click on repair. Okay? Click on repair. There'll be a pop-up. Click on yes. Close the browser if you want to. And then just wait for the process right here to finish. And after that, close this one. Restart your computer once more. And everything should work perfectly fine now. And that is how you fix application failed to start because side-by-side configuration is incorrect. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.